He said we can do it. Yep, we are working on it.
Yep. Walking for lupus.
Ready? Let's get it started. Let's get ready to walk to end lupus now. This is 19 years of us going forward. So on your count of 3. You guys ready up there? All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Lupus!
Lupus!
Here we go! Walk to End Lupus Now 2025 begins right now. I see you guys out here.
We are walking around the Piedmont Park. They're walking for lupus around the Piedmont Park. It's about 1.5 miles. They're gonna do it. They keep coming. They keep coming. There, I'm gonna go. They're going that way. They're walking. They started there. There. This is 500 club. There is the 500 club. I'm gonna go all the way to front. All right, look at it. It started here, there, it's going all the way there, going around all the way. It's going, it keeps going, still coming. So started there, it's going there, right there. It's still over there. Look at it, how big is the walk. Here, this is the Pt-2 500 club. That's also part of the Piedmont Park. They're building stuff here. They're doing some landscaping. I am in Piedmont Park doing the lupus walk. So it started over there. Still, they're walking around there. Look at it, all the way there, over there. And this is the pit. She's saying that they all are walking.
Where you at? I did slow down.
He finished. I'm just kidding. Always a race. There's some swanage over there. Got it? Everybody has messes. Survive. Started still over there. Hey, how you doing? I keep going back and back, taking some video. Now this is the tennis club, tennis thing over there. More coming there. They said they made it halfway. There you go. We can do it. You guys can do it. Go ahead. Come on, Albert. We can do it. Let's do it. Yeah. Yep. This is halfway done. Some people gonna end it, but some people, we all gonna go on. We all gonna go in. They all are coming over there. There. More coming. There. Yes. Everywhere. They're more over there. Walk faster a little bit now. People are running. This is the lupus walk. He's waving at his friend, but they're cheating. They're running. There's a track and the thing. They're playing the over there. You can sit right there. There's a sitting place and people running on the halfway, which is almost a mile, and some people are continuing on. So this is more than halfway. So you're gonna go around. All the way around is 1.5 mile. Look at it. They are also coming through this. There. There you go. Coming over there. Here. Yes, everywhere. And then they go all the way over here. Okay, everybody has messes. Survive. Started still over there. It's coming. This is the place where people play soccer. The people play baseball. People play volleyball. Look at it. There is the place you can take some rest, relax. This is baseball field. Right there is a track. You can go all the way. I think it's more than a mile, probably. All the way there. There. And people still walk. Look at this. People are still walking. It goes all the way over there.
Stuff like that.
People are still walking. There you go. Oh, there you go. It's me. Yeah. walking 1.5 mile. Okay, almost end. Some in the back, look at it. Over there. This is the Piedmont Park swimming pool is over there. They're playing the tennis. We're going around. We came around that way first. Then we walked. Some people are still walking. This is a beautiful thing. They put a lot of messages on the side of the thing. Discover your power to fight lupus. Those little thing, they're giving water away over there. They're selling free water, free water. They're selling it, free water.
Get you some.
Yes. Then they have the banana and all other stuff there. They have banana, apple, and the water. The cold water is also over here. Yes. The cold water. I have water. Thank you. Yes. Here, I just got an apple. This is the lake in Piedmont Park. There you go. They're walking all around. There's the Atlanta Botanical Garden over there. It's right next to the park. Botanical Garden, Atlanta Botanical Garden. So it's not the destination, it's the journey. We started about more than a mile ago and we just walk around. I started first, but now I'm almost all the way to the end. So that's why I said it's not the destination, it's just the journey. You enjoy with people and everybody in the crowd, because they all are the same reason here. Everybody is just on the path because there's a lot of shortcut way to get to the destination, but there's no destination for curing the lupus. We all have to keep walking to make sure this deadly disease gets cured. Seems like we keep going, we keep going. Thomas Walter 500 Club. Yes! Thank you. Let me have one. Thank you. Free water. Free cold water. Woohoo! But then party's here. A lot of people still coming. All the way. Way far street. Finished.
How you doing, sir?
Thank
Good.
you.
Good day.
There you go. Thank you.
Everybody will be done. It'll be over. Here we go. See height.
We've got this lupus thing. There you go. Lupus.
Make some coming in there. Come in there. Well, the money that we raise is for everybody knows somebody that might have lupus.
There you go. We finished it. We did it. We're almost to mine. Sorry, go ahead. So we just done. It was fun. We had a great time. Lupus is a deadly disease, so they walked for 1.5 miles. Really, it was a great reason we walked. Thank you for watching my video from Piedmont Park, Atlanta.